like the hole in the exhaust. It sounds pretty cool. Just don't like the exhaust fumes coming in. So if I could get full exhaust to actually exit at the back of the car instead of at the headers by the catalytic converter, that'd be great. I'd really like to be able to replicate the sound. Doesn't have to be as loud, but it just sounds really good, and I feel like I'm addicted to it now. This car used to be really quiet. It used to sound like this at the loudest, like a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. So got my Moza wheel today, just to show for the video. It does make me drive a little quicker because it just feels, I don't know, I kind of get into sim mode. Sometimes I even feel like I need to downshift and, the paddles and everything. But yeah, sometimes it's fun. Other times it's use it all day. Your arms kind of get tired because you're not holding the wheel down low. There's no armrest. And this is the rest of the car. I got a 4-point harness on. There's a harness bar right there. This is my cargo net for deliveries. This is the wheel I normally use. U-shaped leather wheel. Yeah, does anybody know how to make the exhaust sound somewhat like this? Like, I asked a mechanic, and he said, he was a shop owner. He said, well, yeah, you just gotta fix the hole and then change the resonation at the exhaust tip. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, well, don't you want like no resonator? I don't know much about exhaust. I need to figure out a way to get around, like if I can keep an O2. I don't know what to do about the O2 sensor on the other side of the catalytic converter. I'm considering getting headers, but it seems like any of the good ones are way too expensive, $600 to $900. Magnaflow, but yeah, the headers are pretty expensive. And there's a wide range. You know, they start at like 200 and you go all the way up to 900. Bucket seat, side mounted, and I'll show you kind of what goes into putting one of those in. First of all, you don't need one of these. This is a net. A net's the only girl I have in this car, actually.